Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials: niche, platform, domain, and hosting. First, validate demand quickly with a landing page or survey. This saves wasted work. Next, pick a platform, hosted SaaS for speed, self-hosted for control, and set up basic hosting credentials. Then create 5 to 10 product listings with clear titles, descriptions, and images. Once done, make sure payment and tax basics are noted. You want a runnable store shell before adding advanced features. Now you build the core shopping flow. This is where conversions live or die. Start by configuring product variants, SKU, inventory thresholds, and shipping rules so fulfillment is reliable. Next, integrate at least 2 payment providers to reduce declines and map tax rates to customer regions. Then optimize the checkout, remove unnecessary fields, allow guest checkout, and add clear trust signals like guarantees and secure badges. Once complete, test a full order from browse to email, receipt to spot friction. Finish by launching methodically. Run 3 live test orders on desktop and mobile, and verify fulfillment emails and payment captures. Then set up analytics, basic email flows for cart recovery, and 1 simple marketing channel to drive traffic. Once launched, monitor metrics and customer feedback closely, make small iterative fixes. If something breaks, recreate the error, check server and app logs, and roll back the most recent change if needed. This reduces downtime and restores a stable shopping experience quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.